Hi, thanks for being in a new video. Let me tell you what I liked most and least about the Realme Dochi Plus after testing it in case you want to buy it. So as always, let me tell you, don't buy the Realme Dochi Plus without watching this video. Consider its launch price, which was 8,999 pesos. On screen, you see the reference price in dollars, although remember that prices here are not the same as over there and the exchange rate can be very variable. Remember that if there is something I do not mention in this video, is because it is within what one would expect in a device of this price. Remember that the full review is available on the channel. Let's start with what I like the most. This device has a fairly wide distribution, so you can find it in Telcel and in some physical stores too, so it's not reserved for an online sale. The design is really very nice. Realme has been putting a lot of effort lately into the design of their devices, and this one is no exception. Having a circular camera module, looking like a much more expensive device. The truth is that it does have the look of a high-end device, although only the look. The volume is quite loud, so if you like to enjoy your music at maximum volume or watch movies or videos with your friends, it is a good choice. The zoom has surprised me. It goes up to 20x and maintains a good quality. I think this is one of the fundamental points of this device, since it is able to offer us pictures from a long distance, still maintaining a good quality, thanks to the fact that it incorporates a good Sony sensor, Lithia 600, well optimized. It also allows us to take portrait pictures with 2x zoom. This again is thanks to this incorporation of the Sony sensor, maintaining optical quality. It incorporates a portrait video mode. At this price, not many have it. This is a feature usually found on much more expensive devices. It also has an excellent security suite with options such as app lock, hide apps, safe, and much more, including a kids mode. So if you want to maintain a good level of privacy or security, whether with other strangers or even small children, it's a very good choice. It includes a 67-watt charger in the box, which charges to 100% in 50 minutes. This is definitely an option that comes to stand out over several competitors. It also includes charging lock and smart charging to take care of the battery. So if there are times when you don't want it to charge very fast or you want it to have a cap, you can configure it. It incorporates 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. In both cases, it will definitely give you an excellent experience. You can keep many applications open at the same time. There will be no reboots, and you will be able to store lots and lots of photos. It also includes an excellent suite of gaming options. So not only does it have a frames per second counter, but you can also manage performance. You can change the style of notifications while you're playing and many other things. But now let me tell you what I didn't like. It doesn't have Gorilla Glass. In fact, Realme also does not ensure that it has its own protection like other models that are integrated a much thicker glass. So I do not know how resistant it can be against any fall. Getting very demanding in portrait photography, the hair area can still be complicated. Although I insist, this is a bit more demanding compared to the results that a high-end device would give us. The ultra-wide camera has quite a lot of distortion and chromatic aberration at the edges, confirming that it is a fairly simple camera. The front camera for video recording has really given a bad experience. There is no other way to describe it. The one-handed use mode is like that of the iPhone. That is, it only adjusts vertically. There are other manufacturers that adjust the screen both vertically and horizontally so as not to lose content. And the processor, while not bad, doesn't have as much graphic support for some games. So if your priority is to play games, this device may possibly fall a little short, specifically in terms of graphic support for special effects. But if you already bought it, let me know how much it cost you. Also tell me what you like the most and the least about this device. For now, we have reached the end of this video. If you liked it, you know you can let me know, and I'll see you next time.